Hi, and welcome to eSkooly tutorial series. I'm Jenny, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the SMS Gateway app. So let's get started. In the admin portal, go to the SMSF services in the left menu and click on Free SMS Gateway. Once the page opens, you will be asked to complete the setup. So click on the Start Setup button and wait until you get the confirmation pop-up. Once you get the confirmation, click on the OK button. Now you'll be asked to install our free SMS Gateway app on your Android phone. You will also receive a confirmation email containing the important details and a guide about our SMS Gateway. To install the SMS Gateway app on your Android phone, open your favorite browser on your phone and type smsgateway.eSkooly.com. Once the page opens, click on the button to download the SMS Gateway app on your mobile. It will start downloading. Once complete the downloading, click on Open to start the installation. Now click on Install. You have successfully installed our SMS Gateway app on your Android phone. Now open the app and it will ask you about some important permissions. Please must allow all the permissions one by one. Now log in to the SMS Gateway app using the eSkooly admin login details. Once you logged in successfully, come back to the software and refresh the page. Congratulations! You have successfully set up our SMS Gateway to send unlimited free SMS on mobile numbers. Please log out from the eSkooly admin portal and log in again to update the details properly. Thanks for watching.